Oh no, it's not store-bought. It's decoupage. And I'm gonna show you in this video step by step how I did it. So firstly, a tray, a wooden tray, any tray. And I painted the inside of the tray with white paint. This is the best base for rice paper or napkin, and sometimes you even have to do 2 layers, but let it dry between each layer. It's very important. It must be dry. Next step, rice paper. Since Easter is coming, of course, Easter theme, look at this cute bunny. And a glue. I have decoupage glue. You can use any other glue. And now I am just tracing with my fingers, as you can see here, how I am just gonna put the rice paper in. And then with my water pen, I am taking off the rice paper, the excess of the rice paper. And now slowly I am gluing my rice paper onto the tray, making sure there is no bubble or no bubbles, because that's very important. You must apply pressure. On larger surfaces, you must apply pressure. So take your time, go slowly, apply pressure, let it dry. And now it is dry and it is time for a little bit of sealing and painting and such, of course. And I chose the colors I thought go best with my rice paper. And of course, you can go inside the rice paper for better blending. You just don't have to just paint what's white. You go inside the rice paper, it makes it look like it's supposed to be there, because the color, the paint will never be the same as you are using. Now, glitter decoupage glue. You can skip this step. Doesn't have to be done. I love my glitter decoupage glue. And if you're watching me, you already know that. So I applied that, and after applying it, of course, I let it dry before sealing my product. I used pouring glaze. You can use varnish if you want. I love pouring glaze because it gives a nice shimmer. And I applied 4 layers, let it dry between each layer for a nice, like glass looking theme. And now technically you could be done if you want to, but I decided to put air drying clay around my, why I chose this tray, because it reminded me an Easter egg. So this is why I did it. So I used this mold from Stamperia, applied it, let it dry. After it was dry, I painted it with this paint, inside, outside. And then I took the excess of the paint with wet towel. Of course, the paint must still be wet. And this is the way I went all the way around. Again, let it dry and seal it with matte varnish. Of course, you can choose glossy one if you want, but somehow I love using matte varnish on air drying clay. I don't know why. I just do. So I did that, let it dry, and the last step in here is wax paste, this shimmer one, golden one, and using gloves because it gets messy on your fingers. So yeah, use gloves for this. And I applied it all the way on my air drying clay theme decor. And technically we are done. We are finished, easy peasy, a cute Easter decor. You can put in your kitchen or wherever you want to. And I want to show you, I did like a set. So a matching reed, my tray, and matching candles. So let me know what do you think. Until next time, bye.